Now again today we will solve the same lessons solutions and that in-text question. That here before already we had studied the different units of concentration, molality, parts per million, and all these units we have discussed as well as illustrations also we have discussed. So now illustration number 1, 2 and 3 is given, that also we had discussed. Okay. So now today we will solve the in-text question from our textbook. It is this in-text question. Here it is given in our textbook on page number 39. The first question here we will take question 2.1. Okay. Question 2.1. Here calculate the mass percentage of benzene C6H6, mass percentage of benzene and carbon tetrachloride CCl4. Both we have to calculate mass percentage. Okay, it means in 100 grams. This we want to calculate. Mass percentage of benzene and carbon tetrachloride if 22 grams of benzene. Here, if 22 grams of benzene and dissolve in 122 grams of CCl4. So weight of CCl4 it is 122, weight of benzene it is 22 grams. Okay. Now here we have to write mass of benzene C6H6. This mass of benzene, again here it is already given in the question, 22 grams. Now mass of CCl4 it is also given 122 grams. Now 122 grams mass is given. Now here we have to see the mass percentage of C6H6. Mass percentage of C6H6. Here it means 22 divided by here. Now before that one more step is there. Here mass of solution, that I forgot to write here. It means 22 plus 122. That is, it will come 144. And this 144 is our mass of solution. Okay. Now this mass of solution. So 22 grams divided by 144 into 100. So when we will calculate, here it will come 15.28%. This one answer is coming here. Okay. Now student, we will calculate percentage mass. Mass percent of CCl4. Again, weight of CCl4 is 122 grams. So 122 divided by 144. When you will calculate 144 into 100, yes, sorry student, percentage we have to calculate. Then we will get the answer 84.72%. Okay, so these two are our answer. So mass percentage, this answer is coming here 15.28. Here one answer is our 15.28% of benzene. And for CCl4, it is coming 84.72%. So here, mass percentage of benzene as well as CCl4 we had calculated. Now, we will go towards question number 2. Here, student, this question generally it is asked in 2 marks or in our competitive exam. In 1 mark also, MCQ also it is, in form of MCQ also it is asked. Sorry. Now we will go towards question number 2. Question number 2. Calculate mole fraction of benzene. Mole fraction of benzene C6H6 I want to calculate. In solution containing 30% by mass of CCl4, 30% by mass of CCl4. Now here student, again what we have to do in question, again mass of 30% by mass of CCl4. So it means mass of benzene here, mass of benzene in grams, mass of benzene. It is given 30%, it means 30 grams, mass of benzene is given 30 grams. Then mass of CCl4, mass of CCl4, it is also given, this we can calculate, it means 100 minus 30, so here it will come 70 grams. Okay, now molar mass of benzene, we have to calculate molar mass of C6H6. This molar mass of benzene, it means 12 into 6 plus 6. When we calculate here, it will come 78 gram per mole. Okay, so this molar mass of benzene is coming here 78 grams per mole. In the same way, I have to calculate molar mass of CCl4. So this molar mass of CCl4 again it is 70. Okay. Now molar mass of CCl4 70 here. CCl4. So when we will calculate carbon 12 and Cl4 35.5 plus, in this way we have to calculate here. It will come, when we will calculate 154 grams per mole. Okay. Now this 154 grams per mole. Now this is the molar mass of this. This is the molar mass of this. Okay. Now here we have to calculate again now moles of benzene. Next, here I have to calculate moles of C6H6. Moles of C6H6 is equal to, here in this way I have to calculate, I am having 30 gram. So 30 upon 78. So here it is coming, when you will calculate, the answer is coming, my answer is coming student 0.385 mole. Okay. Now moles of CCl4. Moles of CCl4. Yes, CCl4 here. Moles of CCl4 again. Moles of CCl4 weight I am having 74 upon 154. So 74 upon 154, when we will calculate, it will come 0.454 mole. Okay, 0.454 mole. Now we have to calculate mole fraction. Okay, next is mole fraction. Mole fraction of C6H6 benzene. Mole fraction of benzene, it means HC6H6. This is equal to number of moles of benzene upon number of moles of benzene C6H6 plus number of moles of CCl4. That we know very well, weight of solute upon total number of moles of solvent, because here HC6H6 is our solute. Okay. So here when after putting the value 385 and 454. Now we will see here I will write x C6 at 6 is equal to, here it is given 0.385 upon 0.385 upon again 0.385 plus 0.454. Okay, here. So when we will calculate, the last answer is coming C6H6. Here the moles of benzene. Here after calculation, student, here my answer is coming 0.459. This is your final answer. You also calculate and check the answer. So here it is mole fraction of benzene we had calculated. So here our question number 2 completed. Okay. Now student, this question number 2. Again, if mole fraction of CCl4 is asked, then also we are able to complete because we are having 70 and then divided by total volume of solution. Now we will go towards question number 2.3. Question number 2.3. Here calculate the molarity of each of the following solution. First one, 30 grams CO NO3 twice 6H2. Okay, in 4.3 liter of solution. And here what we have to calculate? Molarity. Molarity we want to calculate molarity of this. Okay, when 30 grams of CO2 twice if we are having, and molarity volume of solution is given 4.3 liter. Okay, first we will solve this, then we will go towards the second one. Again we have to calculate first molar mass of CONO3 twice, and 6H2 is given, so that also we have to take in calculation. For cobalt it is 58.7, NO3 twice, 2 I will add for nitrogen 40, 16 3s are 48, I will write here, plus 6H2, it means 6 into 80. When you will calculate, answer is coming 291 gram per mole. Okay. Now moles of CO NO3 twice 6H2 is equal to 30 gram is given, divided by molar mass 291. So after calculation, student, here my answer is coming 0.103. You also calculate. Okay, if anything wrong, then we have to rectify the mistake. Now student, here next volume of solution is given 4.3 liter. Okay, volume of solution, here volume of solution, it is given 4.3 liter. Okay, now so here I will write molarity capital M is equal to 0.103 liter divided by 4.3 liter. Okay, so when you will calculate, here student, 0.024 moles per liter it is coming. It means 0.024 first calculate the molar mass. Weight is given. Weight is divided by number of grams divided by molar mass. Then we got here moles. Okay. And these moles, this we got in per liter, and we want to calculate in 4.3 liter. So same, this is divided by 4.3. After calculation, my answer is coming here. This you also calculate and check the answer. Okay. Now student, second question is coming to us, and here in the same, second one is there. Second one here. Second is 30 ml. 30 ml of 0.5 m H2SO4 diluted to 500 ml. Okay. Now here also we have to calculate. Now student, here up this much ml diluted molarity is up to 500 ml. So here first what we will write, volume of undiluted H2SO4 solution. Volume of undiluted H2SO4 solution V1 is equal to 30 ml. Okay. Now molarity of undiluted H2SO4 solution, that is our V2. It is 0.5 m already given. Now volume of diluted H2SO4, that is V2. It is given already in the question 500 ml. Same. Now as we know M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. Okay. So again M2 is equal to M1 V1 upon V2. If I will write here values, so 0.5 into 30 divided by 500. When we will calculate, it will come 0.03 m. This is our molarity of the solution. So in this way also we have to calculate the molarity in before that we learn how to calculate mole fraction of the solute. Now student, here question number 4, 2.4 and 2.5. This 2.4 I am giving you and 2.5. I will explain you how to solve, and for your practice or as an assignment this question is I give you. Calculate mass of urea. Mass of urea NH2CO NH2. Okay. Mass of urea, you want to calculate mass of urea required in making 2.5 kg of 0.25 molar aqueous solution. हमको 0.25 मोलर एक्वा सॉल्यूशन बनाना है 2.5 kg, तो मुझे यूरिया का मास कैलकुलेट करना है. ओके. सो इसके लिए पहले अगेन स्टूडेंट, इसमें भी आप क्या करोगे, सबसे पहले हम क्या निकालेंगे यहाँ पर मोलैरिटी स्मॉल m. ओके. मोलैरिटी स्मॉल स्मॉल m, ये लिखेंगे तो स्मॉल m के लिए आपके पास फॉर्मूला आ जाएगा मास ऑफ यूरिया इनटू मास ऑफ यूरिया अपॉन, अगेन आई विल राइट मोलर मास ऑफ यूरिया, दिस यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट अपॉन mass of water in kg. Mass of solution, it means mass of water in kg. Water, W, water. Okay. So mass of urea already you are having. Sorry, mass of urea. Molarity of solution it is given. What is the molarity of solution is given here 0.25. ये हमको बनाना है. ये 0.25 होल. ओके. अब मास में हम लिखूंगी mass of, right, mass of urea upon 60 into 2.5 kg, it is already given 60. When we will calculate here mass of kg, then the answer will come 37.5. It means when 37.5 grams of urea dissolved in 1 kg, then here, sorry, dissolving this 2.5 here, molarity, it will come this 0.25 molar solution we can prepare. Okay, now student, the last one, calculate molarity and mole fraction of Ki. ये बहुत easy है. If density 20%, एक और solution Ki is given. Okay, इसमें मैं आपको समझा देती हूँ. First question number 2.5 के लिए. Okay student, now in question number 2.5 Ki, molarity, here new type of question because density is given here. Okay, so here molarity, our question is this: calculate molarity as well as x, or this thing we want to calculate of Ki. Okay, now for this calculation you require here molar mass of Ki. That I am giving you molar mass of Ki. Here write down student 39 plus 127. When you will calculate, it will come 166 gram per mole. Okay. Here also, first you have to calculate the molarity. With the help of molarity, density is given. You can calculate. This sum is for your assignment work. If you will not get in the next lecture, again I will solve. So here student, our